And if you're watching this, I think you're probably a beginner at meat rabbits. So what we're gonna do is actually take a step back and talk about some of the key terms in rabbitry so that you have the knowledge that you need to get started. I'm Danielle, this is Florero Farm, and welcome to our channel. If you've been watching, then you'll know that we've recently purchased our own set of rabbits, and we're really starting to get things going on breeding our own meat rabbits. And we've been having a whole series, which you're definitely gonna wanna check out. I'll put a link up here of that so that you can start watching those as well, and I will provide them down below in the comments so you can really get up and running with rabbits. But before you get up and running with rabbits, you want to make sure that you know what a lot of the key terms are around rabbitry so that when people are talking about it, you have a clue in on what it is, and you can also start using this terminology in your day-to-day life. So let's get started. Let's start from the top and work our way down. First off, you're going to have a female and male rabbit. The female, when they're at breeding age, is going to be called a doe, and the male is going to be called a buck when he's at breeding age. Now, once they are ready to start breeding, the mom is going to start kindling. And this is basically a female that is ready to breed. When the female and male have actually produced offspring, they are going to have a sire and dam. A sire is a male that's already produced offspring, and a dam is a female that's already produced offspring. When they do produce offspring, they're going to have kits. And kits are the little babies, those little fuzzballs, and kits is short for kitten, just a fun fact. All of those kits are going to be part of a litter, and that is the litter that the mom's produced of all of her kits. Now, when your rabbits are ready for consumption, there are a few different key terms that will kind of guide you through those processes. So we have fryer, and this means that they're ready for consumption. They're about 3 to 5 pounds, and they're going to be a type of meat that is a bit lighter and something that you can just fry up. Next up is a roaster. This is going to be when they're in excess of 5 pounds, and you're going to want to cook them for a little bit longer. It's going to be a little bit tougher, so you're going to be roasting them. The last one here is a stewer. This is going to be a rabbit that is excess of 8 pounds or 8 weeks, and they're going to need a lot longer of a cook time, probably something that's more of a stew that you would be using them in, something that's providing liquids in that as well. When the mother is preparing for her kits, she's going to be using the dewlap, or the area underneath her neck where she'll be pulling from, and that's basically her pulling out her hair and putting it into her bedding for the kindling. Grow out is usually when you're preparing a rabbit for processing, so you're letting it grow out to be around 5 pounds. These are just a few key terms that I think are really important in rabbitry. If you liked this video, please make sure to give us a like and comment down below with any terms that you were surprised of, as well as make sure to subscribe as we do post new videos every week, and we have a bunch of great rabbit and chicken content coming up that you'll want to stay a part of. Bye.